In today's video, we're taking a look at how to clean your pool filter easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and saw that your pool is not cleaning how it's supposed to, or the water pressure coming out the filter pump is not as strong as when clean. You went to the store and they don't have more filters, or online, and it's gonna take a couple of days. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna verify that we have the correct house, then that it's our pool, because the last thing you want is to clean the neighbor's pool. We're gonna take out our old filter and we're basically going to take it to the car wash. So we're gonna take our garden hose, preferably with a sprayer, and we're gonna turn click until we get to the jet function, and we're gonna waterboard this filter. We're gonna clean this filter until we remove every dirt, grime, or hair stuck on it. Also, don't forget to get the inside as well. In our case, we like to do this either every 3 days or once a week. This is gonna prolong the life expectancy of your filter. You're gonna have a cleaner pool, you're gonna have better water flow, but most importantly, save the big bucks in the pocket. And using this method, we can go with one filter for a month without having to change it. As you can see, it's almost brand new again. We can take our victim back to the safe house. We can place the filter back on the filter pump, and now you leveled up again. You become a pool filter reviver, a grandmaster cleaner of this universe. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.